So what I do for a living is I'm the brand manager of the world famous Blue Curacao liqueur here in Curacao, and that means that basically I'm responsible for all marketing related activities, ranging from devising the marketing plans all the way to social media and being present at key events during the year. Definitely digital marketing. Thanks to the digital marketing courses, I learned how to use all the tools and all the platforms that I still use nowadays to reach my target audiences in all the markets where we operate, both domestically and abroad. Working and living on Curacao is great because thanks to the weather and the more relaxed working culture, we really get to create the perfect balance between work and private life. So during the week we work hard, but then during the weekend we really take the time to enjoy the island life and just be outside. One of the nicest memories that I have from the IB program is when we had those difficult international law exams. We would go together to the library with 15, 20 people, all friends, just sitting together, trying to solve the difficult cases that we used to get from Mr. De Vries and Mr. Van der Put. That was a lot of fun and we always got good grades. My advice to any student joining the IB program in the future is don't take any course for granted. Really get to know as much as possible from each of the subjects that you have, because those will teach you how a company is actually set up in real life. And besides that, enjoy as much as you can because time really does fly. Having a global mind to me means having the willingness and the courage to interact with and respect different people from different parts of the world, and really getting to accept and getting to learn as much as possible from the way they do things and see how those can positively affect the way you think and the way you do things as well.